Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Assetto Corsa online with Friends' easy guide. First, ensure you and your friends run the same game version and any required DLC, then verify Steam or platform friend lists are synced. Next, agree on a server or host a private event, set race options, and confirm voice chat or messaging. Finally, test connectivity before racing to avoid idle waiting frustration. Set up multiplayer and mods carefully to keep your sessions stable and fair. Install identical mods and content packs, and verify checksums when needed. Configure port forwarding or use a rendezvous server to reduce NAT issues, and select low-latency servers closest to all players. Use lightweight mods only for performance, and keep a backup of vanilla files so you can restore quickly if a mod conflicts. Communicate changes before joining. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides for you. Quick recommendation: go darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. They are comfy and durable for long sim racing sessions and sore feet recovery. Check the description for the link and other deals after the video, and consider supporting the channel if it helped you. Now let's get back to the video. Hosting a session requires clear settings and friendly race rules to keep races fun for everyone. Set car classes, track selection, lap counts, and practice times before starting, and enable rollback when available. Enforce clean driving and fair starts, and rotate hosts to share responsibilities. Use server passwords for private groups and periodically update drivers on schedule changes to avoid confusion and late arrivals. Keep sessions about 1 hour to respect time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.